Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because it gives us motivation. And today's job notification has come from Mindtree. We will discuss in detail in this video. If you have not subscribed still now, please hit the subscribe button because most of the videos we have seen, the subscriber are just watch the video and don't subscribe the channel. If you just hit the subscribe button, it gives us the motivation, nothing more than that. Please do that. So let's start. Mindtree, they are hiring freshers. It's off campus drive 2021 batch they are hiring, and the position name is software engineer. CTC is 4 LPA, okay, 4 lakh per annum. So it's a very good salary at the starting of your career. So Mindtree of campus drive, all about details about the company. You have know that this company is started their business in the year of 1999. It's a very good global technology consulting company, and the desired candidate profile for this drive is BE, BTech in CSIT or critical branches only. 2021 batch is eligible and 65% marks is needed or 6.5 CGPA and above is needed. 10th and 12th both must be covered with 60% or 6 CGPA. You have to note that up to one backlog allowed in graduation, less than 1 year allowed, no gaps during the engineering degree is allowed. Okay, virtual onboarding will be done as it's a COVID situation and learning program. So selection procedure will be in type of this manner, like online test will happen, then virtual technical screening and technical discussion HR interview will be done. Okay, so in the online test you have to pass the aptitude test, coding test. So the Mindtree will have based on the AMCAT examination. So try to follow the AMCAT papers. I have prepared one video regarding AMCAT. If you want to follow that, you can go and check. I will give the link in my description box also. So if you're really interested, I must say the last date is 24th May for this drive. So if you want to do the registration, please hit the registration for this job drive before 24th May. Okay, just click on direct apply link in the Mindtree website, so it will be redirecting to the career page. Here also you can go through the notification. You can see the registration link will open till 24th May 9 am. So till morning 9 am 24th May the registration link will be open. So you can go through the job description here. So you can just click on registration link. It will be redirecting to the application form. Okay, so this is the mainly job description. Here you will see that the compensation and benefits are mentioned. Compensation is 4 lakh per annum. Designation will be software engineer. Competency is band CI. Eligibility criteria mainly BE, BTech in CSIT and circuit branches. No backlogs and 6.5 CGPA. So stipend mainly 26,000 per month you will get. There is no service agreement. So you will receive the promotion and increments also with HR policy. So these are the mainly job descriptions. Okay, so just going back to the application page, after clicking on the registration link, the form will be open to you. You can see this is the C1 software engineer hiring drive. So you have to fill this form, your title, first name, last name, email ID, phone number and date of birth, your university registration number, your degree, your college name, state of college and town name for your college, what's engineering stream you are belong to, and year of passing. Mainly you can see 2020 batch also eligible, 2021 and 2022 batch will also eligible. So based on the information provided, which month your final exam will get over, you have to provide that information. Do you have any other areas or the backlogs in engineering, you have to mention that. Your 12th board, 10th board percentage, graduate percentage you have to provide, and your year gaps. If you have no year gaps, click on no. Do you have any educational gaps, click on no. Do you have a dedicated laptop during your virtual learning period? Obviously yes, and for this thing you have to arrange of a dedicated laptop. If you are going to be selected for the drive, so you need to bring your own laptop for their virtual learning period. Okay, so minimum configuration must be Intel i3, Windows 10 genuine, 8 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, of which 250 GB minimum free space, with a working webcam, microphone and broadband connection. So are you open to being deployed to any Mindtree location? For when the office will open, then you need to relocate for this location like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Bhubaneswar. So you can select yes or no if you interested on that thing. Your PAN card details, Aadhaar card details. So all the details you need to provide here. Your skills, programming language skills you have to give here. If you have participated in hackathons or not, you have to give there. Then click on submit. This is the small registration process I have discussed in detail in this video. If you have any doubt, don't forget to share that detail in my comment section, and share this video with your friends so that they will be benefited from this video. So that's the job updates. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share as much as possible, and if you like this video, it will be helpful for us to reach you wide. Thank you.